could speak on it. There's a McDouglas aircraft. They're checking the engine. Oh my. That was fun. Okay. No, that was not butter. That was not butter. That was not butter landing.
She's in butter popcorn. It bounced.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Southwest Airlines and especially this flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to Baltimore. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened. You can put your table to natural sunlight in locked position, and all those carry-on items right where they are. The aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please check carefully around your seats, make sure you have all your personal items, and please use caution as you open the overhead bin, as items do tend to shift during flight. And ladies and gentlemen, once you step off of this aircraft, you may not reboard for any reason, so please look very carefully around your seating area. Make sure you have car keys, wallets, passports, cell phones, iPads, iPhones, AirPods, books, computers, jackets, pillows, anything of value that you'd like to keep, please make sure you have it with you.
I am gonna get it.
If this is your final destination, do go out and have a great rest of the week, a wonderful weekend ahead.
Why are
Come
we
back and see us
texting?
again soon. If you are connecting on to any other Southwest flight,
Why are we
please
texting
check the
so
TV
fast?
monitor in the gate area for your pick gate and flight number.
Why are
For
we
those of
texting
you
so fast?
continuing on to Cincinnati, please do remain seated. Allow our local passengers to deplane. We need to come from the back to count you as a through passenger to ensure you a seat on the next portion of the flight. We know you have a choice when you fly. Thanks so much for choosing Southwest. Go out, be safe, be kind to one another. Come back and see us again soon. Welcome to Baltimore.
Why are we texting so fast?
Big airport. Gotta get there.
They're fixed. They're like doing something to it.